Good morning, everybody. As you can see on the board here, the answer key from yesterday's daily check-in is right there. Correct answer was x equals -3, and you can see your steps there. So if you need to pause right now and check out these steps to solve an equation that has distributive property and variables on both sides, you can do that. On the right side of your screen here, you could see what you should be completing this week. Again, daily check-ins. You can do those any day. I'll check them daily. I check them 3 or 4 times a day. So remember, you can do that at any time during the week. If you don't have access to a computer on Monday and Tuesday, you can still do them on Wednesday. It's not a big deal. Completing assignments 7 and 8. Those are 4-question assignments. I just assigned a quiz this morning. Quiz 2, 5 questions. Your goal, try to get these all done by 3 o'clock on Friday. If you don't reach that goal, that's okay. If you need an extra day or two over the weekend or even next week, just make sure you're emailing me if you're sending in anything late. Hope you have a great Wednesday, and we'll see you again tomorrow.